Hi, I'm Susan. Today is day 8 of Junk Journal January, hosted by Meg of Meg Journals. And our prompt for today is antique. And so I'm going with this gentleman with the antique hat and coat and this antique car. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. And without further ado, let's get started. I've already done my inking, at least most of it, so I won't have to do that. But first, I'm going to start by laying down some of these bits and pieces. I want them up a little ways. Let's see here. Now this is a rub-on, so I want to make sure that I don't get too high. Okay, I think that'll be okay. And I want to tuck. This is just a scrap from the inside of here. I thought make nice texture for the road. So let me first go ahead and get these pieces down. I hope everybody's doing good. I'm doing good. Busy, busy. Not a lot going on. Trying to get things together for my Anna Green Gables journal. Not enough hours in the day. All right, I want to glue these down with my art glitter glue. It is getting cold. My husband had to run to Walmart for a minute, and he said that there was snow on the windshield. We weren't expecting snow. Let's see here. Find my bag. This'll do. So I was under the impression that it was going to warm up this week. And then it went the opposite direction. There were some storms that came through last night. Right now I want to get this down. I think it'll be okay just to run a bead of glue across. Let's see here. I want this side. And I can snip this. All right. And now my car. Just kind of want to add that there. This card came from my cut and collage. Extraordinary Things to Cut and Collage. I've enjoyed that book. It was the first cut and collage book I got, and I would definitely get it again. Oops. All right. Now I think I want to go ahead. Let's see here. Let me go ahead and get this down. This came from Dollar Tree. I don't know how long I've had them. They're fashion, but style in a car works for me. Now just lift that up. And I think I'll put that down so he'll have something to stand on. Okay. Get him in down. This one should be quicker than my last one. Elbow sticking up just a tad. I think it'll be all right. I'll just trim it a little. And let's see here. I probably should have put those down before I put the car down, but I really don't know. I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna. I've got this bunch of thread, and I've got maybe something like that. Okay, I'm just gonna glue that down. All right. I like it. I think I will just kind of make a border around this. Let's go for another one. I do like so. I think I see Amy on Crafty Cat do that a lot. Looks like thread. Okay. I do need to tack that down better. And maybe some black dots. Just a few. And some gold splatters. Just doesn't feel right if I don't do the gold splatters. I just need to stamp my date. There we go. And I'll change it so I don't forget. All right. So we have antique. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. If you haven't, ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Take care. I love you. Be sure and check out Meg's channel at Meg's Journals, and be sure and check out the hashtag Junk Journal January. So until next time, bye y'all.